I shouldn't be telling you this, but I'm going to anyway. There is a city in China where most tourists never go, but it's about to save you thousands of dollars. See all of this? $47 total. Welcome to Yiwu. I'm Vicky, your China trip decoder. Today I'm going to show you 3 things about this amazing city. The super-sized shopping mall where you can find anything you want at the lowest price. The night market full of locals where you can hunt for little treasures. And the perfectly planned 1-night 2-day itinerary that takes care of everything for you. First, let me explain what Yiwu actually is. Yiwu is not a normal tourist city. There are no famous temples here, no mountains, no landmarks. But there are 75,000 shops, millions of products, and prices so low you will think someone forgot a zero for the product. This is the world's largest wholesale market. Everything you see on Amazon, Taobao, or TikTok shop, a huge chunk of it comes from here. You may not know more than 60% of world's Christmas decorations are made here, so most buyers come with an empty suitcase and leave with a full one, and you can too. Now let me break down the layout because the market is so huge. It is as big as 260 soccer fields. It will take you 3 months to visit all the shops. You cannot see everything, so don't try. There are 6 main districts. Let me give you a quick overview. District 1 has toys, jewelry, and crafts, mostly wholesale, but Floor 4 is different. We'll come back to that later. And District 2 sells bags, umbrellas, and some small electronics. District 3 is stationery and glasses. The glasses area is really good. You can get prescription lenses made on the spot. And District 4 is socks, leggings, hats, and underwear. These are some of the things I bought there, so it is really good. And District 5 has some goods and kitchenware. And then there is District 6. This is the one you need to know about. District 6 is not your old Yiwu. Forget messy stalls and crowded aisles. It's called the Global District Trade Center. It just opened at the end of 2025. This is the 6th generation of Yiwu market, and it looks nothing else in China. The stores are huge, the ceilings are high, the aisles are wide. Most of the vendors here are young. Their parents sold basic goods, but they sell something different. Original design brands, beautifully packaged and beautifully displayed. You walk in and it feels like a boutique in Tokyo or so. Trendy toys, fashion accessories, collectible figures, smart wearables, jewelry that look like art. And the displays are gorgeous. Products are not stacked on shelves. They are staged like art with beautiful lighting and creative arrangements. You actually want to take photos. This is the new Yiwu. Design matters, aesthetics matters, story matters, and the best part is you can buy single items. No wholesale minimum, no hassle. So you can spend your first afternoon here. You'll get a lot out of it. If you are a designer or a small business owner, this is a place also full of inspiration and business opportunities. Now let me tell you about the night market where the products are even cheaper. When the sun goes down, head to Santing Road night market. This place is massive, blocks and blocks of clothes, accessories, shoes, and luxury style goods. It's right next to the trade market, so it's very convenient. Here is what you will find: rows and rows of luxury bags, sunglasses, watches, and jewelry. I cannot guarantee they are real, but a bag that looks like $2,000 here is only $20 or $30. Sunglasses that look like a famous brand is only $5 to $10. Watches are $10 to $15. And there is food too: hot snacks, fruits, milk tea. Many locals love to eat while they shop. The night market is where you can practice your bargaining. Start at half the price. Vendors expect this. If you buy multiple items at one shop, offer even less. And if you come near closing time around midnight, they are desperate to sell. They don't want to pack everything back up. So go there after dinner. Stay until you feel tired or your arms are full. Now let me put it all together into a real trip. After a great brunch, take the high-speed train from Shanghai. It's about 2-hour ride. Book it on the official app. Stay near the market area, usually $20 to $30 per person per night. That's it. And in the first afternoon, you can visit District 6, walk around, look at beautiful displays, buy a few things for yourself and your besties. don't go crazy yet. And in the evening, you could have a dinner at a restaurant called Chicken Feather for Sugar. It's named after an old local trading tradition related to the history of Yiwu. In fact, it's actually the soul of Yiwu. Back in the 1980s, Yiwu was a poor farming town. Farmers made brown sugar. That's all they had. So they loaded baskets onto a pole, one basket of sugar and one empty. They walked from village to village trading sugar for chicken feathers. The pretty feathers became the duster sold for export, and the ugly ones become fertilizer. Nothing was waste. Everything had value. That spirit built Yiwu. Here is the bigger picture. Back then, China was still a planned economy. The government controlled everything. Private business was basically illegal. Street vendors got chased away. Then things started to change in the late 1970s. China began opening up. The government quietly allowed people to start small businesses. By the late 1980s, private enterprise became legal, and millions of people suddenly had permission to trade. And soon, Yiwu opened its first official market, just a few hundred shops on a muddy street, but it was legal. Then China joined the WTO in 2001. Then the e-commerce exploded, and today Yiwu exports to over 200 countries. And all it started with chicken feather and sugar. Okay, back to the point. After your dinner, head to Santing Road night market for luxury goods and hunt for cheap, cute little treasures and souvenirs. Bargain hard, fill your bags, and then sleep. Next morning, the market opens at 8:30. If you are not satisfied yet, go to District 1, it's the extension. Floor 4. This is where you will find trendy toys, collectible figures, and fun boxes. Labubu figures that sell for $30 online, here is only $2 or $3. Or you can go to whatever district you want. District 4 for socks and hats, District 3 for glasses, and by noon you are tired, your suitcase is full. Then you can take the train back to Shanghai. And now here are my tips. Let me number them so you don't forget. Tip number 1, bring an empty suitcase. You will buy more than you expect. Suitcases here are also cheap, $10 to $20 each. Tip number 2, wear comfortable shoes, 20,000 steps a day easily. Tip number 3, the districts are far apart, don't walk, take a taxi, $2 or $3 per trip. Tip number 4, bargain at the night market, start at half of the price, vendors expect it, and near closing time offered even less. Tip number 5, as a trade market, bargaining is harder. If you see similar products in multiple stores, buy everything from one store. Ask for something like a 15% off at total. Tip number 6, if you are interested in trendy toys, go to District 1, it's the extension on floor 4. That's where the Labubu figures are, $2 or $3, not $30. Tip number 7, District 6 sells single items, no wholesale minimum. Don't be shy, just walk in and buy one thing. And tip 8, have fun, seriously. Don't try to see everything, pick 2 or 3 districts. Enjoy the kills, you will come back. That's Yiwu, most people don't know about it, but now you do. Now, before we go, let me tell you about what's coming next. China has so many types of food. Every region does something different. But one dish stands above the rest for its drama, its flavor, and its pure kills. That's hot pot. A bubbling pot of broth in the middle of the table, raw meat and vegetables everywhere, people reaching across each other, dipping, cooking, laughing. In Sichuan, it's so spicy your lips go numb, and in Beijing, clean leg broth. In Guangzhou, fresh seafood in plain boiling water. I'll show you how to eat it like a local, how to mix the dipping sauces, and where to find the best hot pot restaurants, and the one rule you absolutely cannot break. You don't want to miss this. So I'm Vicky, your China Trip Decoder. Hit the subscribe and tap the bell. See you next time and happy shopping in Yiwu.